Okay, so this video is for how to find an assignment that your teacher has set you in Teams and how to submit work against that assignment. So to find an assignment, there's two different ways that you can do it. The first way, if you know the class that the assignment's been set for, we can go straight in there. So let's have a look. And here we can see at the bottom of our post feed, there's the assignment. If you want to look at what other assignments might be set for that class, you can go up to assignments here, and you can see for this class that there's been a piece of work assigned that's due today. I'm just going to go back to the main screen. Another way of doing it, you can go to the assignments section here, and you can see all assignments that have been set for all classes. And see, I've got two here, one that was due last week and one that is due today. So we're going to click in the one that's due today. Now, upon going in here, you'll notice some instructions that the teacher set. So we're going to have a read of these. It's all about the task. Now, at the bottom, you'll see here there is some reference materials that the teacher provided. So these are typically information, PowerPoints or Word documents that the teacher might want you to read prior to doing the work. So they are there. And at the bottom, this teacher has submitted a template for you to do the work. There's three different ways which we can do work in Teams. I'm going to have a look at the template one first. So on this particular assignment, the teacher's provided a template for you. So I'm going to click into there. Again, we don't need to use anything other than the browser. I'm using Google Chrome. And you can see in here, it opens a browser version of PowerPoint. So I can see down the left, there's different pages, and this particular page is where the teacher wants the student to put some information in here. Now, it works exactly the same as normal PowerPoint. I can add a text box, I can type some stuff in, and as I type it, you'll see up here, it's automatically saving it. So we don't need to worry about where to save it or how to save it, anything like that. As you type, it saves. So once I'm done, I can close out and it's saved it. If I want to go back in and edit that work again, I just click the template and I can go back in. Now, let's say that you decided that you didn't want to use the template, you wanted to create your brand new PowerPoint document or Word document without using a template. So we can do that by clicking Add Work. And we can tell it what type of file we want. So let's go to New File. And let's say for this one, I decided I want a Word document instead. I click Word. I type in the name, my amazing Word document. Click Attach. And that's attached, you can see at the bottom, a blank Word document ready for you to do your work. So if I go in here now, it will open a browser version of Word. And again, this is my amazing piece of work. Okay, so as I type, it's saving this for me. And again, don't need to worry about where it saves, anything like that. If I click close, I can see down here, I've still got the template, which I decided not to use at the end, and the Word document. Again, if I click into the Word document, there it is. Close again. The third way, so let's say that you've done a piece of work on your PC and you haven't used Teams for it, we can add that piece of work to this assignment. So if we do that by clicking Add Work, and I'm going to upload it from this device, and on this particular PC, I've stored it on my desktop. So I'm going to click Open, and you'll see it's uploading the PowerPoint document from my PC to Teams. If I click Done, there it is. So this is the document I've just uploaded. If I open it just to show you, that's the document, the PowerPoint document that was on my PC. So here I've got three different ways in which I can do my work. I can amend a template the teacher provided. I can create my own document and edit it within Teams, or I can add to this Teams assignment using a piece of work that I've created outside of Teams. And finally, once I've done all that, if I click Turn In, that signifies to the teacher that the work's ready to be looked at. If you decide that oops, I didn't mean to do that. If you click undo turn in, and then you can go back and make some changes to whatever you'd like to do.